Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to show you another cool tool that I found recently. Grabbed this off eBay. So if you hadn't figured it out already, this is a thread checker for nuts and bolts. So this allows you to take any nut, bolt, stud, whatever, and figure out what size nut or bolt you need to fit the hole or the bolt. It's also great if you've got just like a bunch of nuts and bolts laying around and you just want to kind of get them sorted. Maybe you can put them in storage so when you do need those, you don't have to go hunting through a bunch of freaking coffee cans or jars or things like that and just trying different bolts till you find the one you need. So we've all went to like Lowe's or Home Depot or something, and you go down the nut and bolt aisle and you're carrying your bolt from your engine or whatever in there, and they got the little thing on the wall, right? And you just go through and you try your bolt or your nut in the thing till you find the one that fits. So I was thinking to myself, I'd like to have something like that in the garage. You know, when I'm trying to figure out a nut or bolt that I need instead of having to go to Lowe's or Home Depot. I thought, I bet they sell something like that on eBay. So they do. And I found, you know, the little placards that you hang on the wall that have all these mounted on it, and you just walk up and screw them in. But then I saw these kits here, and they were only, I think this one was, it was less than $30, guys, shipped. I think it was like $25.99 and like $3 shipping or something. And I was like, this would be way better because you can actually take the little things out and try them on your, you know, your bolt or your nut or whatever. And that way, if you've got like a hole on an engine block or something that you're trying to size, you know, you can actually take this insert and screw it in and be like, oh, well, I don't know if that's focusing, but you know, that's a M10 by 1.5. So to me, this seemed like a way better way of doing things. So this kit, again, not sponsored, guys. This was just a spontaneous purchase that I made, and I was like, you know, some people might not know about this. You might want to grab one. Less than $30 again, and it's a 44-piece kit. It comes with every metric size from M3 all the way up to M24, and standard sizes from 6, you know, 6-32 all the way up to 1 inch by 12. Again, not sponsored making this video. I just thought you guys might want to check these out. You might want to have one in your garage. Very handy tool. Just got this earlier this week and I've already used it a dozen times. I mean, it's crazy. Like just recently I used it to order these. I was trying to figure out what size nuts I needed for the exhaust manifolds on this truck that I've been doing all the general maintenance videos on. And you know, that allowed me to order this, of course. In case you guys don't know, 99 through 07 classic GMC and Chevy truck, the exhaust manifolds use a M10 by 1.5 on the manifold to Y-pipe studs. So now you know. I do have just 2 complaints about this kit, so I'll let you know those going into this so you can decide if that's a deal breaker for you or not. My first complaint is that I wish these were deeper on this side so that when you're checking something like, say, this stud that has the protrusion that sticks out here to put a wrench on, obviously, you know, I can't get but 1 thread on there, and that's not enough to check the size. So I do wish that the female part of this was threaded, you know, at least 4 or 5 threads deeper so you can get past things like that. My only other complaint is that these are made out of aluminum and not steel. So while it does look really cool because it's all anodized and stuff, I can't help but wonder, you know, especially if you get into a situation where you're trying to force things on here a lot, I can't help but wonder if it's gonna tear away at that aluminum after a while. But that'll just be something I'll have to keep an eye on and try to like mentally tell myself, hey, don't try to force stuff on here. You know, it should, if you're checking it and you've got it on the right thing, it should thread on pretty easy. You shouldn't have to force it, right? So there's no point in bearing down on it and possibly tearing something up. Like, see, when you got the right thread, it ought to just thread all the way up on there nice and easy. Anyway, if you want to pick one of these up, I'll put a link in the video description. And I am an eBay affiliate, so if you use my link, it does support the channel because we might get a little commission off of it, but it doesn't affect your price. So please use my links and support the channel, and I will keep making videos. But don't feel obligated. I'm going to keep making videos either way. Get out in the garage, get something done, and I'll see you next time here on Bad Luck Garage. See ya, bye.